question says, how many covalent bonds are found in nitrogen, right? The compound nitrogen. How many covalent bonds are found in it? Now, before we start, let's quickly analyze that. And the formula for nitrogen gas is N2, meaning we have 2 atoms of nitrogen present there. And now let's see, the atomic number for nitrogen is 7, and we know the electronic configuration is 2, 5. So it means nitrogen has 5 electrons in its outermost shell that will be involved in bonding, right? In covalent bonding with the second nitrogen atom. So what we simply do is we draw the nitrogen, the 2 nitrogen involved. Now, one thing we should also remember about chemical bonding is that every compound or every molecule involves in covalent in chemical bonding to attain the octet state, right? To attain octet state. So you ask ourselves, since nitrogen has 5 outermost electrons, 5 valence electrons, how many electrons will nitrogen need to attain the octet state, meaning to have 8 electrons in the outermost shell? It will need 3 electrons in its outermost shell. So this particular first nitrogen here needs 3 electrons. The second nitrogen also needs 3 electrons. So we simply write here 3 electrons that this nitrogen will use for the bonding, and also 3 electrons that this other nitrogen will use for the chemical bonding. And after that, remember that the nitrogen atoms has 5 outermost electrons. So since we placed 3 here, how many will be left? We'll be left with 2 electrons here and 2 electrons. Now, this is how the bond is formed in nitrogen gas. These 2 electrons form one bond, a covalent bond. Covalent bond simply means sharing of electrons. So this is how nitrogen gas is formed, right? The bond between them. Now, how many covalent bonds can we see here? 1, 2, 3. So in summary, the covalent bonds in nitrogen gas is 3 covalent bonds, because when nitrogen gas N2 wants to form a bond, it do that by sharing 3 electrons with the other nitrogen atoms. Have a nice day and bye for now.